Once upon a time, in a cozy little village surrounded by whispering woods and twinkling stars, lived a young girl named Lila. With her bright blue eyes and wild curls, she had an imagination that sparkled like the night sky. One night, Lila discovered a mysterious, glowing book hidden in her attic. As she opened it, the pages fluttered like wings, revealing a magical world that needed her help. The creatures in this world were losing their colors, and only she could restore them with her imagination. Excited yet nervous, Lila stepped into the book. She found herself in a vibrant land where the trees danced and the rivers sang. However, she soon faced her first challenge, a gloomy cloud blocking the sun's rays, causing the flowers to wilt. Remembering her imagination, Lila conjured a bright sun in her mind, and as she did, it burst forth from her heart, banishing the cloud. The flowers bloomed again, and the colors returned, filling the world with joy. With each challenge Lila faced, her imagination grew stronger. She turned fear into courage, darkness into light. Finally, after restoring the last color, the creatures cheered, and Lila realized that her imagination had the power to change the world. As Lila returned home, she understood that imagination is a powerful tool, capable of transforming our fears into dreams. And as she drifted off to sleep, she knew that every night held the possibility of new adventures.